Okay, so assalamu alaikum. Well, in this video we'll take a look at the pectoral region and the superficial pectoral fascia, that is the superficial fascia of the pectoral region. So what is the pectoral region? It is basically the region of the chest that is present superiorly and laterally. So this whole region is basically the pectoral region, which is constituting the most important muscle, that is the pectoralis major muscle as well. Though यहाँ पे pec minor भी होता है, but pectoralis major is forming the major bulk of this region. And इस region का main purpose यही होता है कि ये upper limb को anterolateral chest wall के साथ you can say connect कर रही होती है in a way. So this whole is the pectoral region. अब इसको हम one by one you can say expose करेंगे. First of all we'll incise the skin out, and then the first structure will be facing after the skin will be the superficial fascia in this region. So there are certain contents of the superficial fascia of this region. First of all being the cutaneous nerves and vessels. We know that हमेशा superficial fascia में cutaneous nerves और vessels ही होती हैं, और जो deep vessels होती हैं हमेशा deep fascia में या muscles में या bones के level पर हमें नजर आती हैं. So the first important content is the cutaneous nerves. Second is the cutaneous vessels. Number third is the platysma muscle, जो कि neck का और pectoral region का ऐसे एक muscle होता है, हम आगे देखते हैं उसको. And the fourth one is the breast. Breast or the mammary glands is the most important content of this region, the pectoral region, especially in female, जिसको हम अलग से study करेंगे in our next video. So first content of this region is being the cutaneous nerve. So there are three types of cutaneous nerves. Number one is the supraclavicular nerves, जिसमें तीनों तरह के होते हैं, medial, lateral and intermediate. Supraclavicular nerves जो कि आती कहाँ से? They are derived from the cervical plexus, जो कि हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह spinal cord के cervical region से कुछ nerves derive होते हैं, which are forming the cervical plexus, और उस cervical plexus से जो nerves derive होकर यहाँ पर आती हैं, these are the medial, lateral and intermediate supraclavicular nerves. The second set is the anterior cutaneous nerves and the lateral cutaneous nerves. जो anterior cutaneous branches होती हैं, these are branches of the intercostal nerves, जो कि you can say thoracic region of the spinal cord से derive होती हैं. And the other one is the lateral cutaneous nerves, जो कि posterior intercostal, जो कि intercostal nerves की ही branches है, but these are the lateral ones. So जो intercostal nerves होती हैं, they basically divide in anterior you can say branches and lateral branches. So in this way, in the pectoral region we have an anterior and lateral cutaneous branches of the intercostal nerves, right? So in this way we have the two sets of nerves. Number one is the cervical, you can say the supraclavicular nerves, and other one is the anterior and lateral cutaneous nerves. So ये तो होगी cutaneous nerves के बाद. The second one is the cutaneous vessels, the cutaneous arteries, which are the branches of the internal thoracic artery and the posterior intercostal arteries. So इनकी जो ये internal thoracic artery आती कहाँ से है, posterior intercostal arteries आती कहाँ से, इनको हम आगे स्टडी करेंगे जब हम blood supply देखेंगे upper limb और pectoral region की. But right now we just need to know that there are some cutaneous vessels which are the perforating branches of the internal thoracic artery and lateral cutaneous branches of the posterior intercostal arteries. हमें इनको as it is याद करना पड़ेगा because there is no other way. In the yes, एक और cutaneous nerve होती है, that is the intercostal brachial nerve, जो कि axilla के region को supply कर रही होती है, वो T2 segment of the spinal cord से derived होती है. We must know that as well. So ये होगी दो चीज़ें. Number third was the breast, जो कि हम अगली वीडियो में देखेंगे. And number fourth was the platysma muscle of this region, and this is whole is the platysma muscle, जो कि neck और you can say pectoral region का important muscle है. So with this note we are done with the important contents of the superficial fascia of the pectoral region. अब हम next वीडियो में breast को और जो pectoral region के muscles हैं उनको study करेंगे. But right now this is enough, so take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz and subscribe.